Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening ClipChamp and importing the clip you will edit. Select the clip on the timeline so controls become available. Once the clip is active, open the Effects panel and locate Background Remove. This applies the automatic mask. Make sure your subject contrasts with the background for best results. If you need transparency output, choose a project setting or export format that supports alpha. Otherwise, pick a solid color background now and proceed to refinement. After enabling background remove, decide auto for speed or manual for precision. You can switch anytime. Then adjust strength to tighten the mask and edge smoothness to reduce fringing. Subtle moves matter. Use contrast to recover lost detail along hair or edges. For stubborn areas, duplicate the clip, mask the duplicate, and use a garbage mat to paint out residual background by hand. Once satisfied, add your replacement layer, color, image, or video behind the subject and check transitions. Finalize by previewing the full sequence at play speed to catch flicker or halo artifacts. When ready, export using a format that supports transparency if you need an alpha channel. Otherwise, pick your resolution and bitrate. If you see problems, undo the background remove, tweak contrast or edge sliders, or re-import a higher quality source file. Sometimes compression causes errors. As a quick fix, add a subtle feather or color spill suppression to hide minor seams. This usually cleans up remaining imperfections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.